subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After a long wait, the Google has finally launched the successor of Pixel 3a smartphone in the US called Pixel 4a. And it is the downgraded version of Pixel 4 smartphone that was launched in October last year. Talking about the specifications, the Google Pixel 4a supports a 5.81-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with HDR support, and it has a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen features a hole punch at the top left corner that houses 8 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. At the back, the phone comes with a single 12.2 megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. The rear camera includes features like night sight, portrait mode, top shot, and more. Under the hood, the Pixel 4a is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage with no microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 10 OS with new Google Assistant feature for better voice control. The device comes backed by 3140 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 144 by 69.4 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 143 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Google Pixel 4a has been priced in the US at $349, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in jet black color option, and it will go on sale starting from August 20th. So, what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 4a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.